Hey, NASDAQ, we get the best dope on the markets. I am your human local floor trader. What are we talking here? We're looking at wheat here. This is KC wheat, as you can see here. And actually, we have I believe these are multi-year lows. I'm pretty sure they are. But anyway, right here, right now, okay, we're going to look at this. This is KC wheat, okay? So right here, I have a trend line right here, and this is from '02 and 1997. Okay, and I got this other one here, and these are long-term '04 and '03. Actually, those are '04 and '03 lows. Okay, so that would be after '99. Remember the '01? That was the crash. Wells Fargo was doing whatever kind of shenanigans they were doing in that crash. Did not to be confused when they were creating fake accounts. But anyway, here we've got an outside up. This is actually a key reversal here. Okay, we look at yesterday's range, 79.5 to 86.25, 77.25. What did I say yesterday's high was? 86.25. Okay, so we got under this teal line. Okay, 0304. Hung out here for a day, okay? No big deal on the volume. Open interest is screaming here, okay? Let's go look at that. Okay, this is as of September 23rd. Today is October 13th, okay? But this is the last day on the way down, okay? You can see here, this is the non-commercial. These would be the funds, 42,000 long, 99,000 short. But for minus 57, as of this week, they sold 2,000 longs, added 3,400 shorts. Okay? And where is that? September 23rd? Okay, that would have been right here. Okay? I'm going to guess that we're even more short, okay, because of the government in default here. So some of these organizations aren't putting out their numbers. In any event, okay, let's look at this on a weekly chart. Okay, and let's go to a monthly here. Okay, so that's a new low here. Ah, you got too many lines here. Hang on, hang on. Okay, let's. Okay. As a matter of fact, hang on here. Got to use some proprietary data. Let's see if we got an olive here. Maybe off of that low right there. Okay. This olive up here, okay, which kind of caught that one day for the one day. That is not the way I would do it, okay? That has, when the last guy, brain dead Biden, was using the N-word, okay? The bad N-word, nuclear, okay, with Ukraine. Okay, this would be more the way I would do it. Where was that? That was around, what was that, 590? Well, whatever it was, okay, here, this one comes in at 502.5. Which comes in right here. What is this, a red one? No, that's an orange. Okay, let me take this off to clean. These would be targets off of this olive, failed olive right there. Remove that. Let's remove this. Okay, and now we're back to, see over here, when the line is over here, that means it's, okay, before 2013. Okay, so this is decade plus. Okay, so we are cheap. As a matter of fact, okay, here. Look at this. Here we had an outside up week. Actually, I take that back. This was a month. Okay, so 485.5. I don't know, man. I think you're looking to buy this stuff. Look at this. Just on this little bounce, 520 up to 520 to 680. Yeah, 520 to 680. I thought it was 80 cents. It was big. Okay, so we rallied $1.60 here. You're coming back down in here. This is KC wheat. Okay, so here we'll go back to the wheat chart here. These are my tabs. Let's go into the D's here. D's Chicago. Okay. Okay, this line has been here. Okay, if you've been watching any of these videos, I did not see this. This hit today. 492.5, quarter rather. And here, where did we open? Okay, this will tell you if this is a good number. We opened at 493. What is that number? Exact. Okay, it's exactly 493. Okay, so we closed over here at what is this? 96, and you call it 97. We opened 4 cents lower, 1%. You know, 1% lower. And let's just see the volume here in Chicago. Okay, you know, pretty decent. Not as big as the collapse on the way down here. Okay, but pretty decent. And almost 12,000. Oh, what's the pattern, folks? What is the pattern here after we printed the olive? Okay, we got higher lows. I don't know, man. This is the buy. Okay, so what would you do tonight? I don't know. I think you'd watch this. Okay, look, if you're looking to buy wheat, okay? I think you buy this line. I think you buy it here. This would be Friday's settlement price. You buy it here. Buy it against this low, which is 94 in the goats. We're talking about you got to get some wheat on, okay? I think this might be the bottom, okay? So hang on. Okay, just for shits and giggles, this is bean wheat. Okay, so going up, beans are gaining on wheat. Okay, so it kind of meaning that wheat is cheap there. Just in this chart here, just in this chart here the last couple months. This is when you do these spreads and stuff like that. I don't pay for extended data here because I got nobody that does that. If you're that player, get a hold of me. ARP@NASDOG.com. Thanks for watching. Always use the risk stop to stop the risk.